Have you ever wondered if the cheaper washing up liquid brands can do just the same thing as Fairy Liquid? I'm going to put them to a side-by-side test. I've got two equally filthy, greasy drawers here. I've measured out the same amount of water for each drawer. This is boiling water. This is 2 pints of water in each side. And here I have a little measuring cup, so I'm going to measure out 1 teaspoon in each drawer. This side is the Fairy Liquid, and this side is W5 washing up liquid from Lidl. These have been soaking for about 15 minutes now. I'm going to scrub them both for the same amount of time and we'll see if we can notice a difference. Starting with the Fairy Liquid. And now the same with Lidl W5. I'll just give them both a rinse under the tap now, but just a quick observation before I do is Fairy definitely bubbled up more. The products seem to go a bit further. Okay, time for the conclusion. Let's take a look at the drawers. Now, I scrubbed these for 30 seconds each to give them a fair and equal test. I was not aiming for cleaning them up perfectly. My aim was equal amount of time to give an equal test. Fairy is double the cost of the Lidl one, but something that did really stand out to me is that Fairy produced a lot more suds. It definitely went further, so I would say you could easily use half the amount, which equals out the product value-wise. But I would actually go a little bit further and say it produced so many more suds that you could probably use less than half the amount of Fairy to get the same result. So with that in mind, I am concluding that Fairy actually works out at a little bit better value, which has surprised me actually, because it's obviously the premium brand. So there we go. I'm saying Fairy is the winner. Thank you for watching.